All right, good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for watching our recap. Happy Monday. We had a really nice Monday. Market is gapping up and ripping higher. IWM Russell 2000 is leading the move. QQQ at all-time high, SPY at all-time high, creeping higher, and Dow Jones moving toward all-time high. So today we had a couple of really nice good trade. I had a really good day on Nvidia. Really nice opening range breakup. On 1 minute opening range breakup, Nvidia was gapping up near the all-time high. So as you see, the all-time high was at 208, popped up at the open below the VWAP, but really a strong, solid move. Pulled back at the VWAP. I went long heavy at 211, popped up toward 213, and then I added more on the pullback again at 213 and cut the move all the way up to 215 and above. Sold some, and then for the break of 215, which was R4 as well, I added heavily for the break. Did break a little bit, then I got to stop down at the break even because I added a couple of them. It did go all the way up to 216.49, so it was really strong, and it went down. And that was one of the best trades that I did. Brian, did you trade NVDA?
I did trade some options on it. Yes, kind of got 210s, but I don't think I made a lot of money on them.
Perfect. And Pfizer was another trade that I did. I traded twice. So Pfizer was gapping up as well, was strong. It really held these levels at the open, and I kind of really liked it for a long. I went long at 49.80 for hopefully to pop above the VWAP and getting, moving toward break of high of the day. It did pop above the VWAP. I sold some, and then it, just kind of dumped back to my break-even point, and I got out at around 50. As soon as I got out, then just huge squeeze all the way up 51.30. And Pfizer is a nice stock, and you don't expect a big move on it like that. I mean, like 50 cents, 60 cents is really good, so that's why you take a bigger size. But it did really moved up, and it did drop back, pull back. We did a 920 trade. I did a 920 trade that pulled back to the 920 moving average at 50.47, popped up to 50.80, and that was a trade that I did, and came back at the break-even point. So that was so these two were pretty good, although I didn't really make what I was expecting on Pfizer, just because it was really trading like a garbage, but generally it was really good. And yeah, that was it. I did trade VVOS, and it was a mess, and I lost on it, and I shouldn't really have traded VVOS. I jumped in early and lost money on that. Overall, pretty good day for me. ARK, and I have some ARK and TNA. As you know, I'm holding some TNA. ARK is also going back up to where it was, because Tesla is running up back to 700, and a couple of other things. The trades on the community, Peter did a really nice short on NVDA. This is a mountain pass that Peter has a signature on it. NVDA, he took a short on it. Really nice. That was in the chat. AMD, Thor did an AMD trade. I will bring it here actually a little bit more. Yeah, sorry, this is Jared. He got stopped out at the open, but did really nice 1 minute open range breakup above the VWAP. 105, sold, added more a couple of times, and eventually got a really nice move on it. And obviously Thor also did a nice trade as usual. It's a short JD right at R4. That's a really nice trade at 66. Cover below the VWAP. That's his signature trade, R4 short, and then add more on this pullback, as you guys can see. So that's the entry short, and then add more on pullback, and add more on pullback all the way up to the low of the day, which is garbage. So hopefully Thor and Jared and Peter are doing the recap. If not, we just did quickly. What else did you do, Brian? You did a reversal on JD. You tried to get look at JD, Brian.
I know. Well, it's double bottom. No, I traded Mara. Got that breakout on Mara, and I got a breakout on Lyft. And I'm still long some Alcoa AA.
Yeah, just something, yeah. Brian took a double bottom on JD. I don't know if you're still in there because he did a squeeze. I think you get something this move on it, but
yeah.
And then Mara, what was your trade on Mara?
Just an opening range breakout trade.
Yeah, so that's
And
we got nice 5 to
yeah.
breakup.
And same thing with Lyft. Lyft had a nice move up through 46, and I caught it all the way up to 46.
Nice.
And then it put in a double top, and then that was when I kind of got out. So, and then like I said, I'm still long AA. I was watching both X. I was watching both X and AA just because they've been both gotten sold off. So
so A
sort of
this one is more like a
infrastructure
swing, huh? More like a swing, yes.
yeah, it's probably going to be a swing trade. I'm probably going to hold it unless it sells off.
Excellent. So in terms of community, we come to a website, the webinar tab. If you click on that, is the full list of our webinars. Today, Carlos and Mike are going to go through the onboarding class. So all the members, if you're, no matter what membership level you are, go in there and see what the community is about and how to use the community. So we have it every Monday, 8 p.m. recorded. And then we have the technology webinar by Kyle, that he goes through all the advanced tools that you're using for your platform, computer. Any question that you have, you can get in touch with Kyle. This week we're going to have Jared, King of Levels, the previous day close and why it's so important and how you can trade based on that. Next week Thor is going to come back with Daytrading 101 for Taiwan sales, and level 2. It's going to be 2 really good webinars. And Thor is also joining us for Peak Capital as well. He's going to have his VPA and level 2 webinars as part of the Peak Capital next bootcamp that starts in September 7th. So if you want to join, we still have a few more seats. We might not get everyone this bootcamp on Peak Capital because again, we don't want to have you in a class of a lot of people. It just has to be a small, the accountability type. Tomorrow, Dr. Katz are coming back on the Wednesday town hall. We have Dr. Katz, and mentorship sessions are back. I'm not planning any traveling anytime soon, so sorry about canceling last week. I was in Alaska, and then we have Thor and myself, and crypto market on Friday. Adi might come and start some webinars and sessions for options. He's really having a good time over there. I'm actually going to give my other account to Adi for options trading. I have this account and I'm going to give it to Ardi for options trading. So that's it's like 1.2 million in there. So that would be really good income generation on that. And that's it. So we appreciate a like or subscribe to our channel. Again, it helps a lot. It might not be looking very important for you, but that helps us growing our channel. Really appreciate that. Brian, anything from you?
Yeah, no, that's good. I'd watch. The week looks starting out pretty strong, so we'll see where we go, and then keep an eye on the dollar, keep an eye on the yields, and that's about it. Yeah. So excellent. Right now, all the materials sector is doing really well this morning on dollar weakness. So
perfect. For the bootcamp, no, Bearable Traders and Peak Capital are completely different. So you keep your account and everything at Bearable Traders, and bootcamp is completely different. So you don't need to make any changes or anything. Alrighty, thank you so much, guys, and see you tonight in the classroom.